Hey everyone, I'm Juno from the product marketing team here at Rentman. Everything in Rentman starts with a project. A project is where you bring all details for one event together. Your equipment, crew, schedule, and communication. All of it in one place. In this video, I'll show you how to create your first project and walk you through what each part of it means. Let's get started. First, I'm going to open the Projects module. From the Projects module, I'm going to click Add Project on the top right corner of the screen. From here, I'm going to select the template. A template is the fastest way to create a project. It is pre-filled with the equipment, crew, and all of the settings you typically use for similar events. Now I'm going to click Save. And that's it. Your first project is ready. From here, you can start adding your equipment, schedule your crew, or create a quote. All of this is found in the different tabs above, such as the Equipment tab, Crew and Transport tab, Financial tab, and others. Give it a try and you'll see how everything connects in Rentman.